Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a great artist here for you, Sabrina Claudio. I think you recognize that name. If you've been here on Growing Guitar before, you heard about her. And I believe we had her a couple times, 2, 3, maybe 4 times. And I believe almost every of these times you wished for her song. So you highlighted her on the Wish Wednesday. That means you wrote a comment about a specific song you want from her, and I brought it up for you. So that means you love her, I love her. Let's take a look at this song called Need You to Need Me. All right, so we don't need any capo for this one. You can see that it's clean on fretboard. Let's go over the 4 chords needed for the song. So let's start with the C major 7 first. Very easy to grip, and it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, next chord will be the A minor 7. And that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the D minor next, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord will be G. That will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so there we have the chords. We're gonna come into the strumming soon, but first let's take a look at the melody. We need to handle the song. We can hear that in the beginning. It goes a little bit from on and off when it comes to what pattern I'm gonna show you soon, but this is a main pattern you can choose to use here throughout the song if you want to. So let's start with the C major 7 first, and it goes like this. Okay, so what you're going to do here is to play 3rd fret on A, and then open G, open B, and open high E, and then a short pause, and then 2 times more on the open high E, then 3rd B, and 1st B. That's the C major parts. Now into the A minor 7 part, it goes like this. Okay, so that is to hold the chord as it is and roll pretty much down. You have the open A, 2nd D, open G, then 1st B to open B, then 2nd D, and open G. Okay, so. And sometimes I believe she plays, or they play, open to 1st B. Okay, so when it comes to this part here, sometimes they switch and play open to 1st. I believe so. Not 100% there, but I think 1st to open is the more correct way, or often played. Okay, so that is 1 round. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. You repeat it again, the C major and the A minor 7 part. Okay, 2 times of that, and then you come into the D minor and G part. So the D minor first, it goes like this. Okay, so the principle is pretty much the same as the C major. So you're gonna roll down, hold the chord as it is, and play open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Short pause, and then 2 times more on the 1st E, then the open high E, and 3rd B. And then comes this G part next. You're gonna play the 3rd fret E string on the bass together with 2nd G, and then open B, and the pause. Then repeat the D minor again. And then on the last G, you can pretty much just give a kick on the 3rd fret E string together with open B. And a pause. And that will end the round. So it's basically C major, A minor, C major, A minor, then D minor, G, D minor, G. And then that just repeats itself, okay? Okay, so there you have the melody. Now let's go into the strumming. And that is the version, or the style I would choose to play if I played this song here. I think that is the main thing to go for when it comes to the song. Okay, let's learn this pattern here with this first chord, the C major 7. So grab that one, and 1 round of strumming goes like this. Okay, so it's first 3 downs. 1, 2, 3, all right? Then comes up, up, down. A short pause, and then up, down, up. That's it. So down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up. Like this. Okay, so you're just gonna follow the same pattern as we played when it comes to the melody. So that means you're gonna play 1 string around per chord: C major 1, A minor 1, C major 1, A minor 1, then D minor 1, G1, and D minor 1, G1, and that keeps rolling throughout the song. So let's go for a round of this chord progression like this. And then you start again. And just move on like that. Anyway, that is how you handle Sabrina Claudio's Need You to Need Me. Alright. So I have the same feelings for you guys. Hope you understand that I need you to build up this channel, to give motivation to go on. I really love my work here. I need to see something happen here on this channel. So thank you for the support, guys. If that is what you liked, then give me a thumb up on this one. Till next time, play tuned.